Yes, and now spectator name any cards. Maybe your cards Queen of Hearts, why not? Look, your cards Queen of Clubs, Queen of Hearts, my cards Seven of Clubs. And now I shake it my cards and change your cards. Yes, it's really crazy. I take your cards, shake it and change my cards. I take my cards, snap my finger and change your cards. Please take your hand and now snap my finger and change Seven of Clubs. This is my cards. And now my cards, change your cards. And now I shake it your cards and now your card vanish. Yo, it's really crazy. Look, your card really vanish. Why your card vanish? It's really nice question because your cards teleports my left pocket. It's really crazy, it's really unbelievable, it's really free, it's really nice per sleight of hand. Let's learn! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really nice move because this move, name it clip shift. Clip shift is really crazy trick, it's really visual, it's really impossible move, and now I teach you this move. Yes. Thank you guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, and maybe share with your friend or magician. You know, my English very cool. I repeat, so guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now. Maybe you share this video with your friend magician, why not? Maybe your friend really magician, look, 2 of clubs, change 10 of clubs. It's really crazy card change, it's really crazy trick. And now take deck and teach this really unbelievable card magic. Let's go. So for this move, this is clip shift. You take any deck, it's really normal deck, and now you shuffle this deck maybe like this. And next step you make a spread. And spectator name any cards. It's really free. Spectator name maybe Queen of Diamonds. Why not? And next step you control this Queen of Diamonds top of the deck. Look, these cards Queen of Diamonds, you take these cards like this, your right hand, and now you move it like this, and now you slide these cards like this, and now you squeeze the spread, and now your cards Queen of Diamonds control the top of the deck. It's really easy. I repeat. Name any cards. Queen of Diamonds. Queen of Diamonds is really free. Yes. Alright. Of course, I control these cards top of the deck. I repeat. Spectator. Name any cards. It's really free. Maybe Queen of Diamonds. Queen of Diamonds. Yes. And now you control these cards like this and squeeze this spread like this. And now my Queen of Diamonds here. Alright. And next step I show it these cards. This is my cards. My cards Queen of Spades. It's really nice. Your card Queen of Diamonds, my cards Queen of Spades. And now you take this deck like this, right? And next step you use this finger, take these cards and move it like this. Of course, right? This is Queen of Diamonds. And next step you use this finger, pushes this deck like this. And now use this finger and this finger, move it like this. And next step, you this finger, take this corner of this Queen of Diamonds, like this, and move it like this, right? I repeat, look, take this deck like this, it's really, no, it's not easy, alright. So you take this deck like this, move it like this, right. Take these cards. It's really, no, it's not easy. Yes. Right, and now you make it training this clip shift like this. You make 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's really crazy card trick. It's really crazy move. Look, you take this 3 of spades and shake it in 4, 5, jack, 10. It's really right. Queen of spades here, Queen of diamonds here. And now you make a clip shift and change your cards, card spectator. It's really true. It's really crazy because you make a clip shift. and clip shift. It's really crazy move. And next step, you count 2 cards, take these 2 cards, turn over like this and make move it like this. I repeat, zhik, zhik, zhik. Of course this is 2 cards. I repeat, take these 2 cards, turn over and make move it like this. This is 2 cards. Alright. And now you turn over this deck, turn over these 2 cards, take these cards, shake it, and show this is queen of diamonds, change queen of spades. And next step, you count these 2 cards, take these 2 cards like this, and now you make a switch. You take this queen of spades, turn over, and take this queen of diamonds like this. It's really easy move. Oh, I'm sorry, it's changed. Take this queen of spades, count 2 cards, take this queen of spades like this, turn over, and take this queen of diamonds like this. Snap your finger and stretch and turn over like this and show this is queen of diamonds. And next step, you break these cards, take these cards, queen of diamonds, put in her, and now you make a switch like this. You drop it this queen of spades like this, and this queen of diamonds, put in her like this, and turn over this deck. Alright? Look, this is queen of diamonds, make a break. Take this queen of diamonds, take your hand, drop it these cards, and these cards make move like this and turn over. It's really easy. Look, queen of diamonds, man, this queen of diamonds, take this queen of diamonds, make a change, and now show it this queen of spades. And next step, you turn over this queen of spades, take these 2 cards, alright, and make a card change. It's really anyway a card change, maybe make a deck change, why not, alright. So, the next step, you show this queen of diamonds. It's really crazy. And next step, you take this deck, and now you make a repeat a clip shift because your queen of diamonds vanish. Alright? Of course, your queen of diamonds here. Next step, you turn over, make a spread, and now you make a slip cut this pile and take this 1 cards like this, and now your queen of diamonds here. Alright. And next step, use this finger. Count 1 cards, make a break, and now you palm it these cards like this, alright, and take your left hand to your left pocket and turn over this queen of diamonds. I repeat, count 1 cards, make a break, and now you palm it like this, your left hand make move it like this, right, jik, jik, make a break, make move it like this, palm it, right? Look, I repeat, zhik, zhik, and now you take 1 card, your left pocket. I repeat, count 1 cards, and now make move it like this, and palm it, these cards, and of course, this is queen of diamonds. I repeat, count 1 cards, make a break, make a move it like this, move it like this. This finger takes this corner, and now you palm these cards like this. It's really crazy, it's really unbelievable card trick. Thank you for watching my video, see you later.